Creamy?
Creamy, yes.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. I have a special guest today.
Hello, I'm Tori.
My youngest son's girlfriend. And she's going out this evening, so she is dressed very cute.
Yes. I hate this so much.
She wearing the pink?
She's wearing the pink, but she covered my... Yeah, she's going to wear this out tonight. No.
She's going to churn butter on the show.
So what she is making tonight is... What are you making?
I am doing an Italian custard with strawberries. So first I'm going to...
What are you looking at?
Uh-huh.
You don't have this memorized?
No. I just got dragged into this. As Mama Deb said, I am heating up 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla until...
I might have to fire her.
And I haven't even had a sip yet.
Take one. She is going to stir this until it steams, and we'll be back shortly.
Is that it?
That's it right now.
She just had to do one thing?
And she fucked it up.
All right.
Hi, we're back.
Okay, so now that the milk is steaming, we whisk together 4 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar until it was nice and smooth. And now we added a 1/3 cup of flour, and it looks like this. So we're just gonna add some of the steaming milk slowly.
Yeah, we're gonna temper it with milk, right? So while I'm pouring, you're whisking, okay?
Whisk.
You don't want the eggs to cook.
Oh. It's
Why not?
Nice and thick.
Because the eggs cooking will ruin make it scrambled eggs inside the custard. So,
That's what she said.
Are we not making scrambled eggs?
no. We don't want scrambled eggs. We want it to thicken and be a custard.
Have you ever made this before?
No, we have not.
I mean, you in your entire life.
Not like this. No, not by.
Oh,
I mean, I
smells
make
delicious.
it. I make this custard Granny made, but it's a can of mix. We're doing the whole thing right now.
Okay, so now that it's all in there, we're gonna cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge until it sets.
She
Right?
didn't remember that. My mom just told her.
The recipe is literally right in front of her.
Are we good?
Welcome back to Mama Debz Kitchen.
What month is this? You didn't say at the show.
It's Italian month. It's August, and we're back with our Italian pastry cream custard, is what it's called, with strawberries.
I thought you meant Tori was the Italian.
No, she's not Italian. What are you, Tori?
Mexican.
Okay, so there you go. But she likes Italian food.
Love Italian.
Okay, so taste your.
Okay, so it's been chilling in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. So we're gonna do a taste test. Very sweet, very delicious.
Creamy.
Creamy, yes.
Yeah.
Now it's time for more wine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Tori, for joining me.